Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Jonathan Ferrell. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video of how I use tags to help me create smart lists inside of GoHighLevel. Now, smart lists, if you're not using smart lists right now, you absolutely have to. It's an amazing tool. You'll see in here I have roughly 1,000 records, but let's just say I want to only get records that are specific, or I want to market to specific group of people. I don't want to go through and select those people individually. I want to be able to market to a specific smart list. And so what we do is we create these smart lists, and ultimately I wanted to show you guys how I do that by using the tag tool right here. So you'll see I have two smart lists. This was a full file upload, so it's only going to show me roughly the 1,000 contacts that are part of this upload. But this one here is a list that I created based on a tag that has been added, and that tag is specifically the realtor tag. So just to show you guys, whenever I click on this, I only see 21 records which have the realtor tag that's added. So ultimately, if you want to go ahead and start creating smart lists, the one thing that you need to do is you need to go and click on the More Filters tab right here on the right hand side. And typically, I'll go to the tag section and I'll make sure that my tag is something specific. So, for instance, if I wanted to create a newsletter, right, and I want to add uh, agent newsletter as my tag, so that way I can create a newsletter automation and start marketing to everybody who has this agent newsletter tag. All that I have to do is create a filter and then click the apply button, and you'll see that I have no contacts currently inside of the system that have this tag, but I have this action that's called Save as Smart List. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and click Save as Smart List, and I'll go ahead and create a smart list called Newsletter. Okay, and ultimately, all that I need to do now is I need to go into my contacts, all contacts here, and I just need to add the tag agent newsletter. So let's just say I have a list of 20. Let's make this a list of 100 real quick. I'm showing the most recent 100 tabs right here. I can click on the select all button. And remember, I only want the specific 100 people. I don't necessarily want to do all contacts yet, right? So I'll click on this page and click on the add tag button. And my action name can be add tag. And my tag is agent newsletter. Okay, I'll click the add tag button. These contacts have now been tagged. And when I go to my newsletter smart list, instead of seeing 1,000 contacts, you'll see that only the 100 people that I tagged as agent newsletter are on this list. So again, I can now launch an automation specifically towards these 100 people. I don't need to necessarily go in and filter them individually. So if I wanted to, I can click on this button here, select all 100 records. I can add them to an automation. I can send them a mass text, or I can send them a mass email. So again, it is a great way of filtering your different contacts. Adding tags to them immediately puts them into a specific smart list for you guys. And ultimately, it allows for you to continually market to a specific list versus marketing to all of your contacts inside of the CRM. Now, there is a number of different things that you could do in order to create smart lists. My personal favorite is the tag add option. However, let's just say you upload a list and you have a number of people that don't have phone numbers inside of the system, and you want to create a smart list for everybody who does have a phone number inside of the system. You can go back, click on the filter button right here. You can scroll down to phone right here, and is not empty, click the apply button. And now I see all contacts inside of the CRM that have a phone number. So again, that way you're not launching campaigns like, let's just say it was a text campaign or ringless voicemail campaign to people who do not have a phone number. Okay, so Ultimately, guys, there's a number of different ways to create smart lists inside of the system. I will let you know I'm going to create one more real quick just to show you because there is a section where if you create multiple different smart lists, they all don't show up here at the top. There's a drop down and you have to select the smart list, uh, the specific smart list that you would like uh, to implement, and it will add it back here on the top bar for you, and that will allow for you to continually make smart lists inside of the system. I have one client of ours. He has roughly, I think, 32 different smart lists, which I think is awesome, right? I think that that's awesome. The more that you create these filters inside of your system, and that allows for you to immediately identify a list of people who you would like to market to. So in this case, let's just do email is not empty. I'll call this one email real quick. Should be everybody inside of the system as email. So you'll see I have 5 here at the top. Let's just make one more so I can show you that drop down option. And like I said, guys, you can create as many smart lists as you want inside of the system here. So I'll do one more tag just to show you. Tag is agent A list. Click apply, save. Right there. There we go. Okay, so as you see this more filter that just showed up here at the top, so ultimately, if I'm like, shoot, where'd that smart list go? I need to send out a campaign to a specific people. I'm not seeing them on my list right here. I can then click on the more option. It will add them. And then another smart list will move on into this more section right here. So again, this just allows for you to continually create smart lists inside of your CRM. My personal favorite, though, is the tag function. So hope this video helps you guys out. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.